Is your game stuttering, lagging, or taking too long to load? Do you experience sudden drops in frame rate right when you need your system to perform at its best? These problems are extremely common, but they're also avoidable. In this video, I will walk you through 6 professional system tweaks that you can apply before launching any game to ensure smoother, faster, and more stable gameplay. These are not random tricks or gimmicks. They are proven steps that can make a real difference, especially if you follow the full checklist carefully. Let us begin. The first tweak is clearing unused memory or standby RAM that Windows holds onto even when it is not needed. Over time, this memory builds up and affects system performance, especially in long gaming sessions. Even if you have a lot of RAM, Windows may still waste resources in the background. The solution is to use a tool called RAM Map, developed by Microsoft sysinternals. After downloading it, run the application as an administrator. Once open, click the menu labeled Empty and select the option Empty Standby List. This will immediately free up memory that is no longer required. It is highly recommended to perform this step before launching heavy games or if your system has been on for several hours without a restart. The second tweak involves temporarily disabling real-time protection from Windows Defender. Although Defender provides essential security, it also scans files in real time, even while gaming. This can slow down your processor and affect read or write operations on your hard drive. To disable it temporarily, go to the Windows Security panel, open Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and toggle off real-time protection. Make sure to do this only right before starting your game, and remember to enable it again after finishing your session. This step helps free up critical system resources, but it should only be used when you are about to play a trusted game and are not browsing or downloading content from unknown sources. The third step is setting your system's power plan to focus on maximum performance. By default, Windows may run in a balanced or power-saving mode, which can throttle your CPU and GPU to conserve energy. This negatively affects performance during gaming. To fix this, open the Control panel and navigate to Power Options. Choose the High Performance plan. If your system has access to the Ultimate Performance plan, which is typically available on professional versions of Windows, select that instead. Then go to Change Plan Settings and open the Advanced Power Settings. Under Processor Power Management, set both the minimum and maximum processor states to 100%. This forces your CPU to operate at full speed at all times, which helps reduce input lag and keeps frame rates consistent. The fourth tweak is optimizing CPU affinity and GPU assignment. Sometimes, Windows distributes a game's workload across all CPU cores. While this may seem like a good idea, it can lead to stuttering and frame inconsistencies due to other background processes interrupting specific cores. To take control, use a tool called Process Lasso. After installing and launching it, run your game and then locate the game process inside Process Lasso. Right-click on it and choose the option for CPU affinity. Here, you can assign your game to specific cores. For better results, avoid assigning the game to Core 0, as Windows often uses that core for background tasks. This reduces interference and improves stability. You can also make this setting persistent so it applies automatically every time the game starts. Additionally, in the Windows graphics settings, make sure to assign the game to your high-performance GPU instead of the integrated graphics. This ensures that the game uses the full power of your dedicated graphics card. The fifth tweak is to close background applications and remove unnecessary startup programs. Many users are unaware that apps such as browsers, cloud sync tools, chat clients, and update managers continue running in the background, consuming CPU, RAM, and disk bandwidth. To manually close them, press Ctrl-Shift and Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and end any non-essential tasks. You should especially focus on closing applications that you do not need while gaming. For a longer-term solution, open the Startup tab within the Task Manager or go to the Startup Apps section under Settings. Disable any program that is not essential during system boot. You can also use autoruns or the System Configuration tool to prevent hidden services from launching in the background. Reducing these startup tasks frees up valuable system resources and results in smoother, more responsive gameplay. The sixth and final tweak is setting a custom DNS to improve online latency. When playing multiplayer games, your connection to the server can be delayed by slow or unreliable DNS lookups from your internet service provider. A faster DNS provider helps you connect to game servers more quickly and maintain lower latency. To change it, go to Network and Internet Settings, then click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network adapter and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties again. Then choose the option to use the following DNS server addresses. Recommended addresses include Cloudflare, which is 1111 and 1001, or Google DNS, which is 8888 and 8844. Confirm and apply the settings, then restart your network connection or system. This change improves responsiveness in multiplayer games and reduces delay during matchmaking or server transitions. Now that you have completed all 6 steps, your system is optimized for maximum gaming performance. Clear your RAM, manage Defender carefully, set your power plan for speed, fine-tune CPU affinity, remove background bloat, and upgrade your DNS. These are the essential actions that can significantly improve your gaming experience. Before we conclude, remember to re-enable any system protections you disabled and monitor your system temperature and stability during and after gameplay. These tweaks are safe when used properly, but results may vary depending on your hardware and software configuration. If this guide helped you improve your frame rate, reduce stutters, or fix lag, consider subscribing to Nexus Quest Gaming. We publish high-quality, real-world optimization guides to help you get the best out of your gaming PC without gimmicks or unsafe tweaks. Leave a comment below and share your results or questions. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp, stay optimized, and I will see you in the next video.
Till my heart stops beating, I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on.